not one but two cars decided to cut the line and annoy multiple people. This guy was swerving his car as if he was playing a driving simulator. The universe was really on his side, or else the situation could have ended up with a $100,000 receipt for the repairs. This guy was so distracted he managed to hit the car in front of him. Keep your eyes on the road. That car started spinning as if it was on a roller coaster ride in an amusement park. This car smoothly drove into the other driver without even stopping. He just smashed into the other car and left like nothing happened. Not only drivers, but also bikers are blind while driving apparently. This guy gets so aggravated at traffic when two cars cut him off. His night was definitely not going good, I'm guessing. Oh, that was a close call. The swerve was so clean. That collision would have been so disastrous, but luckily, both drivers are safe. This girl didn't seem to enjoy the fact that the other driver cut her off. If only people would drive with some ethics. This guy really saved himself with that one. The tiny crashing sound is so cute. It's like a little pat on the back of the car. That crash was so aggressive, almost as if the driver enjoyed crashing into the other guy. This guy didn't want to pull off the gas pedal and crashed into the other guy. Too bad he didn't receive any damage. The driver has seen 2 accidents, and they said the 3rd time's a charm. God was giving this guy a warning that his car would be next. On top of that, both accidents were brutal. This accident is a good reminder to never break traffic light rules, or your car might end up getting totaled. This man did not seem to be having a good day, and he thought ruining someone else's would make it better. The real domino effect.